Welcome back. In today's quick Windows tutorial, we are going to show you a hidden trick that most beginners don't know about. We will guide you step by step on how to enable the secret Slide to Shutdown feature on Windows 10 or Windows 11. This creates a stylish shortcut on your desktop, allowing you to turn off your computer with a simple swipe, just like a smartphone. Let's get started. First, move your mouse cursor over any empty space on your desktop. Right-click, hover over New, and select Shortcut. A window will appear asking, what item would you like to create a shortcut for? In the text box under Type the location of the item, type in slide to shutdown.exe and click Next. On the next screen, it will ask you to name the shortcut. For this tutorial, we will just leave it at its default name, but feel free to rename it if you like. Click Finish, and you will now see the new shortcut icon on your desktop. Right now, the icon looks standard. Let's make it look like a real power button. Right-click on your new shortcut and select Properties. In the Properties window, click on the Change icon button at the bottom. A small prompt will appear. Simply click OK to open the full list of icons. You can choose any icon you prefer from this list. For this tutorial, I am going to select the red power button icon. Once selected, click OK, then click Apply and hit OK one more time to close the window. As you can see, our shortcut icon has successfully changed. Now let's test it out. Double-click the icon. A sleek screen will drop down saying, Slide to shut down your PC. If you change your mind and don't want to turn off your computer, simply click anywhere on the bottom half of your desktop and the slider will disappear. Let's try it again to completely shut down the computer. Double-click the shortcut once more. This time, to turn off your system, simply click on the slider and drag it all the way down to the bottom of your screen. And voila! Your computer will safely shut down. That brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this cool Windows trick, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more simple and helpful tech guides. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.